Hi everyone. So we are introducing a series where we are talking informally about people at Agrowave, and so the first interview we are having is with Ayushi, and she has been working in HR department. So hi Ayushi.
Hi.
Let's start with what has been the changes in yourself after joining Agrowave? I mean, you must have been a personality when you joined Agrowave. Now you must be a different personality.
So when I joined, I like the idea about Agrowave, and this is my first company for being a startup company. Basically, my experience was based particularly of the manufacturing firms. Then I was in a constraint, like it was a static role, that I was particularly in the performance management and training and development.
Right.
So it was a directional, okay, this I want to do this for the employees, this for the employees, and that. But when I joined Agrowave, and significantly within 2-3 months basically, so I feel more connected towards the company. That's I would say more because I am working here cross functionally. Now I know about our operations, our business development team part. I know who all are our clients and how the processes are going on. The thinking process and the mindset has been changed.
So if I can summarize it, it's like now you feel more connected with the company.
Yeah.
Following on that question, to make sure that all of your team members, or maybe most of the team members, are connected very much with the company and its vision.
First of all, I feel everyone should have a clear understanding about the vision and values of the company.
Right.
Like I have seen many people, like they are working for long time and they even don't know what the company is going to do. Like
Right.
not many people or all the people of the company knows the vision of the company. So here, I have seen we do regular sessions, we do weekly meetings, we have plan of actions, other things that people have, like our team members have the clear cut idea what we want to do. If we are doing some pilot plans and something, then they have things like that. They know everything. Like it's first of all, thing is transparency, that yes, we share everything with our employees, what is supposed to do. And if we talk about for them, so you or me or anyone, our managers, we make ourselves available for them. So if they have any concerns or their personal issues or something, they can discuss and sort it out easily. So now the employees feel more valued, they are more happy, they are more engaged for that.
Right. So I have seen and heard that most of the people who are working, who are basically implementing things, are majorly follow the processes blindly. But in startups, generally the processes are not there at initial stage. So how do you make sure that your people who are working basically in implementation side, make sure that they are also considering the processes to be created in future.
I personally believe the process should be followed, but in a logical manner. Like it should not be like everything needs change. It's not, it doesn't like कि आज हमने एक process बना दिया and that needs to be followed long years, and we force our employees to follow the same. No. So seeing the model, seeing the time, that needs to be altered and modified.
And let's say recently we have given much time to team members to think more about the creativity and the innovation and the processes rather than just doing the transactions. And so most of the people are not able to invest a lot of time in market research and even thinking about innovation stuff and all. What's your opinion about giving them more time on thinking? How do you see it from the team members' perspective and from the company perspective?
So see, that's the personal trait of the person basically. That yes, many people have that kind of just following the direction and just doing the things. There are very less people who actually think about themselves, what they need to do. There are people who know what they want to do, but they don't know what they want not to do, right? Both the things are very important. As a company perspective, we have given our employees that time, this duration, to understand themselves, to understand their capability, to understand the model, very clearly what we act like. If we have to build a 25,000 MPSs in this coming months, so we have our growth mindset, that scalability part. So that's the company's perspective. Ki we will give them time. We are doing the private plans. We are making the processes and all now. Otherwise, they were just yes, these are the pockets and we transactions are happening, but that is not a long term plan. So now I am saying my team members that they are understanding the goal of the company and accordingly aligning their personal goals with them.
So I think from my side, those are the questions only. But if you want to say anything, you can just. I mean, if you want to speak about anything specifically which you strongly feel, any opinion or anything.
Well, if I talk about my team, I'm really happy, and I seeing our model especially. So this MPS model is really different and innovative, and I have seen that that potential in my team as well. That we can take our model further and can go far.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, so thank you guys. This has been the first informal interview. So if there are something which you feel like not very formal, it's okay. I mean, because we are making informal interviews, very natural, no preparation, nothing. And we'll come up with more videos with people from different departments like operations, technology, business development, and then people who are working at the farm side. So thank you.